So what I've observed for the past 8 months is 90% of the Amazon sellers still haven't caught up with what's going on right now in the ecosystem, and they're leaving so much money on the table by not recognizing this. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video here. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss especially why Amazon sellers need to get onto TikTok Shop ASAP right now in 2024. So a little introduction here. My name is Jackie. I run a TikTok Shop focused agency where we help 7 to 9 figure brands scale and build their TikTok Shop ecosystem. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. I think 2024 is a very interesting year to talk about Amazon, because the reality is if you're an Amazon seller, you pretty much probably felt the pain this year in terms of seemingly forever increasing fee, second, saturated market, and third, it starts to get more and more expensive to compete. So the thesis of today's video is I wanted to make a point about why Amazon sellers need to care about TikTok Shop, even if it looks daunting, it looks very different from what you are used to. Because the current lay of the land is the increasing Amazon fee is just feels like it's not going to stop anytime soon. At the end of the day, the platform cares about how much money they can make versus how much money individual sellers will make. So fundamentally, there's some misalignment. And I will get into it. TikTok Shop is no different. It's essentially the same platform ecosystem, but because we're in the very, very early stage, so TikTok Shop is nowhere near Amazon's scale and the market size. So as a young growing platform, there are just certain things that they cannot do, and they will give the space, they will give away as much possible in the beginning to just grow the ecosystem. And the second is Amazon is pretty saturated. It has been over 20 years now since Amazon's running. And last quarter, Amazon did over $160 billion in revenue. So it's a huge platform ecosystem. And there are definitely two sides to the coin to this fact, which is if you just get to do 1% of what Amazon does, you can easily already become a $1 billion company. But that also goes to show you there are so many businesses, competitors, and people that are trying to compete for the same size of same opportunity here. The last thing I'm going to touch on here, which is as an Amazon seller, you probably really started to feel the pain, the cost and expense to actually get traffic to make money on Amazon. And at what point, I think every Amazon seller needs to understand is it doesn't make sense and it's not worthwhile anymore for your effort just to run PPC ads, just to stay within this Amazon ecosystem to get revenue, because this at some point it's gonna be plateaued and you need to go find other revenue or other traffic source to funnel into your Amazon store. So all those three things are very much true in 2024, and I think they will continue to be more true going forward. And an interesting thing also happened this year in parallel is there is a younger cousin, although they're not owned by the same company. I do very much think TikTok Shop is just a younger version of Amazon that is more social driven, has a more promising ecosystem where the customer will go through the entire journey just within this platform. So I guess at this point, what I want Amazon to understand is Amazon and the TikTok Shop are very similar. You might think TikTok is a social platform, but in its core, in its bone, it's actually a e-commerce, a D2C, a commerce-driven platform. All right, cool. So let's talk about TikTok Shop then. I think this is not a new or a groundbreaking thing I'm talking about here. A lot of the sellers, which we also spoke to, in fact, a lot of sellers whom we spoke to already recognize that TikTok Shop is important and they need to figure it out. But in this video, I just wanted to give you the fundamental principle and the thinking that you need to have to make sense how TikTok Shop is going to drive first revenue to a TikTok Shop store if you decide to really double down and focus on that, and how your Amazon store is also gonna get benefited from what you are doing on TikTok. So a quick introduction about TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop is currently only available in these 8 countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Vietnam. So outside of the Southeast Asia, there are only 2 countries that currently TikTok Shop is available in: the UK and the US. And obviously the US is the biggest TikTok Shop market, and that is also where they are really trying to focus their 100% energy, trying to grow this ecosystem right now in the US. So I will assume if you're watching this video, you're probably a seller, an Amazon seller who is selling to the US market, then this video will be very relevant to your situation. So essentially TikTok Shop was launched in its beta form in the US last August. So it's almost 1 year now as I'm recording this in July 2024. And the whole thing, it sits on top of TikTok as the social media layer. And they are just added a conversion layer that also happens on TikTok platform. So it's a closed loop, just like Amazon, where people go to Amazon, search for a product, place the order, and the Amazon will fulfill everything. TikTok Shop is basically the same thing, but the only difference here is TikTok provides that product discovery, provides that demand gen, which Amazon does not, in the sense that when people go to Amazon, they already have a very strong and clear intent buying a certain product. But on TikTok Shop, they might not. So that difference is also what I think is going to make TikTok Shop an even bigger opportunity than Amazon, because that is essentially social plus commerce, social commerce, and Amazon is just a commerce platform. So as you can see here, I do feel like there is a very close affinity between these 2 platforms, and internally, we definitely think there are a lot of synergy that comes out of TikTok Shop to Amazon, Amazon to TikTok Shop, but I will say it's more so TikTok Shop to Amazon. So, just give you an example on how we are providing suggestions to our TikTok Shop sellers, which is if we know that the brand is doing really well, the shop is doing really well on TikTok Shop, we highly recommend them to build and start their Amazon presence if they haven't already. So give you a context, actually 2 of our currently managed shops are in the process of opening up their Amazon store as well because of the spillover and the halo effect that they are already seeing. So that is one thing that we are definitely telling our sellers go do. So that is really one manifestation that comes out of this TikTok Shop new ecosystem. So now let me kind of talk about why, as we go back to that point of demand generation, being able to spark, being able to get people, why TikTok is so powerful at generating conversions and commerce conversions is because the fact that it is, at the end of the day, a content-driven platform. So it's content. So TikTok started, and it still is a short-form video content platform. So TikTok content has no bounds, right? It can be talking about a TikTok Shop product. It can also be talking about an Amazon product. And I don't know if you're familiar, but before TikTok Shop, there is a very big and very trendy video content category just called Amazon Finds. And at that time, a lot of the Amazon sellers already were benefited from this organic traffic that were coming through TikTok. So obviously TikTok understands, okay, we are losing this traffic to external sites, to essentially our competitors. Why not we also close that loop so we can collect the conversions and we can also reap the efforts and rewards of people just purchasing and buying products on our platform. So the core of everything here is TikTok content. So fundamentally, everything comes out of content. And that is exactly the piece I think a lot of the Amazon sellers do not possess today. And so obviously the easiest way for Amazon sellers to get content is from TikTok. And how? Right now, there is a big, and how exactly do you do that? So currently, TikTok Shop is mostly powered by affiliates. So affiliates are essentially creators and active accounts on TikTok where either the creators or normal everyday folks are actively producing content, reviewing products on TikTok. So that is right now currently the number one engine, number one way for TikTok shop sellers to get eyeballs, to get conversions, to grow their shop. So I think that is also a very good alternative and very good gateway for Amazon sellers to step into this social commerce, to step into this content game, because essentially you can rely on other third-party creators, third-party accounts to help you make content. And I can say, and I'm pretty confident to say, which is most Amazon sellers are not good at making content. So why not just find creators on the platform who are already doing really well, who already know how to make content to create content for you. So I think that is the beauty, and that is why TikTok Shop is such a great opportunity right now for Amazon sellers and for Amazon brands. So I hope the message is clear now, which is Amazon sellers have to look for other platforms to drive organic and external traffic to more profitably, to efficiently get your products ranked higher on the listings. And the easiest way right now, maybe not the easiest way, but the best way right now to get that external traffic, to get that external interest is through TikTok, specifically through TikTok Shop affiliates. So I hope this video was helpful. It's going to be a short one. I just wanted to really come on here and speak to Amazon sellers and hope you guys can recognize the bigger opportunity at play here, which is essentially TikTok Shop and driving content and driving that platform and being able to spin that a flywheel going so that it can spill over into Amazon or even other channels that you might have. Cool. Hope to catch you guys in the next video, but drop a like if you like this one.